Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. So about x multiplied by x to the power of 2 over 3 and x to the power of 1 over 4. So this one we will have about 5 over 3. This one we have 5 over 4. Next we have the formula in here. The integration of x to the power of n dx. We have x to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, and we put about c. That is about the constant. Now we can apply the formula in here and here. So we have the final answer. So this one we will have about 8 over 3. This one we have 8 over 3. This one we have 9 over 4. This one we have 9 over 4. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.